Okay. I don't want to hurt myself.
You guys are so funny.
Oh, you see us every day.
Panintan niyo yan ah! Di ba ito yung galing sa ano? Panintan niyo yan ah!
I don't know. I'm spending a lot of money with that.
Oh my God. This is a super. Kasi usually we don't give gift.
Aha.
Asyayak mo na ikaw. Oh.
Wow.
Di ba prepare ito?
Ay, ano yan?
Coach. Sino mo kaya coach? Magkano kayo mo dyan? Secret.
Nox naman.
May bigay present to.
Wala na, Melik. Oy, honestly, nagtatago na ng pera sa'yo.
Wait,
Present ito, babe.
why is it spelled C-O-C-H?
C-O-C, Andrea.
Thank you. I got a new coach bag.
That one is
And
nice.
this time, it's
It's
the real
original.
one. It's
Yeah.
the real one.
Original.
The-
Hindi na kagad yung tag eh.
Kasi
You
picture,
can change it
sa
if you want. I
picture.
get the.
Ah, what? Ibang sakbit mo naman. Isakbit mo.
Tapos ang regalo ko
Oh,
sa
that is
iPad.
nice.
Not yet.
1, 2, 3.
Ito the back.
Okay, wait. Isa pa. Nagpangit. 1, 2, 3. Tumpa ka ng ate. Tumpa ka ng
Meron pa ba?
Ayan pa. Ayan. Oo nga. Yan yun. Galing sa amin yan.
Oh yeah.
Oh, tapos sina Ailey naman.
Oo, hindi ko bukas.
Oh, thank
That's
you.
for the drawer.
Nice.
Yeah,
This was
I need
Sheila.
it.
Pumila si Gani ng madaling araw siya.
Oh yeah. I don't know where to be.
Really?
What is it?
Where'd you
It's,
go?
The drawer,
Where's
kita mo
the
yung
door?
drawer ng
I like
display
this
room.
one.
Ha? Kita mo yung
This
drawer
is
na
the
nasa
Nordstrom
playroom.
bag.
Which one?
Yung nasa basement. Yung parang drawer.
Aha.
Organizer. Ito yung gusto
Sa kwarto or sa ano?
Sa kwarto.
Yeah, you can change it.
Of course.
That would be very nice.
Oy, age. Amin yan.
She's biting it.
Hindi, nandun sa isa. Hindi namin naibalo.